YouTube, what's good YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. Dan back in the lobby now. You see me and say, yeah man, code man. Yeah man gang, you see what I deal with today. We're back with none other than, the sixth boss himself, Mr. Wijika himself, man. We're there with Squash, the one named Dial. I check it out and see what dog I deal with, man. You see me and say, I don't know if it's an official track from Squash, no kind of Japan Squash page. I thought it was on Squash page, but it's a page called Squash. What the hell? You see me and say gang, but I check it out to where dog I deal with the one named Dial. You see me and say Squash. You don't know Squash about the artist and he make hits and bangers already. You see me, we didn't even have to explain all of that. So I see me six bars I deal with. The one named Dial gang. But before you do that, make sure you say you dial the like button. I want to hear man dial the like button, man. Hit the like button gang. You see me and say make sure you say you bang the like button, man. Make sure you say you help your boy out so more people see my videos on his channel grow. You see me and say gang, let's get it. Squash Dial, let's get it, man. Claw look on the Bumbuckly cover now, man. Dog like you know on the X6 them. You see me? Yeah man, with the toolie, with the shoes pan the right hand side. Easy now man. Yes man, you can't left it, you know. Yes, let's get it. Dog fresh your fuck. How you dog, you know? I'll be dog, you know, some Louis V and shit with the wrist. Look at the dog wrist, man. Look like a Cartier that. Ah, the man. What you want that? Let me know. You see me and say, but dog clean up fuck though. Easy now man, let's get it.
You want to be a monument to physical perfection? You want to be a shrine? You should be. You want to change, right?
I want the beat or something. Crazy, come on.
St. James, when I stop from blood clot Dial, padlock for my client, 10.5 mil just wire, put fire seal for the me back for the buyer. Tell Paul I'm here with the leads I'm a fire. Trick them gal, fuck it to no know me a liar. Don't talk to my boy, go talk to my liar. With a blacker boy, blacker gal, go suck on the mother. Don't get it twisted.
Easy no man, go on through that start having things, so go on through.
Bill just wire, put fire seal for the
and say yo, he padlock him put panic. Watch you.
Now stop from blood clot Dial, padlock for me put
panic client. Nah, stop from Dial, padlock me put panic client. Dude, easy. Well, lock up, I want to wrap up in the blood. Hey, go on.
Padlock for me put panic client, 10.5 mil just wire, put fire seal for the me back for the buyer. Tell Paul I'm here with the leads I'm a fire. Trick them gal, fuck it to no know me a liar. Don't talk to my boy, go talk to my liar. With a blacker boy, blacker gal, go suck on the mother.
Easy.
Don't get it twisted. Shit goes.
Easy, man. Say blacker boy. Man, say put what's inside on the me back, boy. You see me, I say, who the buyer? Who I can buy this? Man, I say, hey, give it to me.
Pussy them can't size up with one giant. Which time me face me. No beg, no friend, me want me one I one down who hate me. Who gives a fuck? Public enemy number one. 6 live forever, we ever strong.
Yes.
Shelly telling me finna trust no man.
Yes,
pussy
yes.
Them bad mind, bad mind, bad mind, bad mind, bad mind, bad mind.
Them bad mind. Easy now, man. Go on through 6 bars.
Bad mind, bad mind. Tell a boy not to play with the outside. Red man, we up forever cause we are 6'6". And we know in the blend up and we no mix. Pussy this is family and some gonna live.
We know in a blend up and we no mix. How am two no go on through?
Up and we no mix. Pussy this is family and some gonna live. Head a stick. My dog them rich and zombie, but no blood clot. Anyway you call me, we make my gun walk. Clients send the money from me, make the first call. Zip it up, ship it up, we are the drugs lad. Pray them, I pray for the 6 fall off.
I just squash the party. How this for the one? I just squash the party now. Go on through the one.
Blood clot. Anyway you call me, we make my gun walk. Clients send the money from me, make the first call. Zip it up, ship it up, we are the drugs lad. Pray them, I pray for the 6 fall off. Suck on the mother, my Glock, I lick your all part. Bobby tear down the line, then go a karma. 2 Benz on the top. When I stop from blood clot Dial, padlock for my client. 10.5 mil just wire. Put fire seal for the me back for the buyer. Tell Paul I'm here with the leads I'm a fire. Trick them gal, fuck it to no know me a liar.
Leads them a fire like a gunshot, boy. I want to you.
Tell Paul I'm here with the leads I'm a fire. Trick them gal, fuck it to no know me a liar. Don't talk to my boy, go talk to my liar. When a blacker boy, blacker gal, go suck on the mother. Don't get it twisted, shit toes. How are them I do? Pussy them can't size up with one giant. Which time me face me. No beg, no friend, me want me one I one down who hate me. Who gives a fuck? Public enemy number one.
Go on through.
6 live forever, we ever strong. Shelly tell me finna trust no man. The pussy them bad man, bad man, bad man, bad man, bad man, bad man, bad
6 boss. But big up Squash though. The other one named Dial. I don't know if that's an official tracker he's using on his official page. And from where the song sound, that sound like one of Squash them throwaways. You see me I say? Like he do so much tune and the one in industry. You see me? Like I thought he just released that one because you know said normally yeah, he went hard. It's a tough track. But if it's Squash standards, you see me I say that's one of those throwaways. That's a song just throw out there. You see me I say gang. But let me know what y'all think about this one, gang. You see me I say if you like it, definitely show the artist some love and support, make you know say they done. Send on. You see me I say, gang. Also let me know what your favorite part was. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me and say, yeah, man. Yeah, let me know what I go on, man. Let's chop it up, gang. You see me and say, also drop a request. Let me know what you know. We're back active. You see me and say, road to 10K. Make sure you like and subscribe button, you know. Cool. Do the right thing. You see me? Do the right thing. You see me and say, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.